It's crazy.
The sun is shining bright. The snow is gone. Children can be heard laughing and playing. And finally, the sound of the spring motorcyclists can be heard. But what's that I see coming down the street? Why yes, another distracted driver. Everyone, I'd like you to meet Derek. Say hi, Derek. Derek is a distracted dickhead. Yes, you. Don't act so surprised. Now, why is Derek a dickhead, you might ask? I'll show you. On the phone while driving, using his vape, taking both hands off the wheel, blatant disregard for human life. Now he puts his phone down lower, thinking no one can see what he's doing. But the only one that looks dumb is Derek. Oh look, Destiny Doesn't Care is doing her hair and makeup. While you're at it, don't forget the lipstick. Oh, and no one cares about your duck face selfie, so save it for home. Nothing should be more important than keeping your attention to the road. Taking someone's life is not something you want to do, or it should ever be risked. And remember, don't be like Destiny Doesn't Care, or Derek the Distracted Dickhead. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed my short little film, but let's face real facts. Brought to you by me. You see, at any given point, there are millions of motorcycles on the road. According to the NHTSA, basically the authority on transportation, at any given time, 800,000 people are texting while driving. Millions if you look at distracted and driving. You see, each year, 1.6 million accidents are caused by distracted driving. Now you might say the number of motorcyclists killed would be fairly low, but that's very high. I couldn't have said it better, as I did. I've seen the way lives are affected because of distracted driving. Let alone car to car, losing control of the vehicle. But you see that right here behind me? That right there is one of my favorite things to do. It's a privilege, like some people's ability to go on boats, owning a boat, owning a jet ski, owning an airplane, something of that sort. And all I can say, each one of those things I just said is something that people do for enjoyment, all of which are dangerous, but people still do them. But it's terrible to think my life is always at risk because of people being distracted. It's not a great feeling at all. I want to see everyone come home alive. I know everyone watching this video has at least one friend or family member that rides motorcycles. And would you act the way you do if that was them in front of you? You wouldn't. You'd pay attention. You'd make sure you watched everyone around them, make sure nothing happened. So why do you do it when other motorcyclists are around? Why do you feel the need to drive intoxicated? Why do you feel the need to tailgate? I'm gonna just say this, and remember it to heart. Tailgating a car is just one step away from causing an accident. Tailgating a motorcycle is premeditated murder.